Okay, what I have here is a second model of the Nasty bar. I previously made one with, I think it's a little bit longer, but this one's a little bit shorter, but the name is also Nasty bar. If you press, here's a button and the charging port, and there's your type of volume of flow, airflow you can adjust. Press the button. You can, let me just switch off here quickly. You can see there's your the tank is empty, it's flashing, and then this is like a indication of how much current it is. 0, 1, 2. I don't have no idea. So there's a red, this thing is a high, it's normal, medium, high, and 38% are charging. Okay, let's just see if you can open this thing. You can see how it looks inside. Obviously, let's always try the back first. This thing. Okay, there's a front. Obviously, okay. This one is different. This one is not screwed in, but it looks almost the same as the other one. Open the front part, and there's your tank. You can just move it. There's your lithium battery, 3.7 volt, and the switch and your charging electronics. So this one is very compact. Again, there's your little part on top here that you can just go and soak it. Clean it. And PC board, charging port, switch. There's your vacuum device sitting inside here. Here's the rubber that there's in the bottom is the yellow part. There's a switch. The switch, let's be careful to put the switch back before you put the whole thing back. And I guess this one can come out from the inside, so you can press it back. That's it. And okay, if you want to fill it up, you just open it here. Put your new drops inside here. Then you're going to slide this back in there. Make sure your switch is out again. Place it there. It's working again, and then we can clip the front part back in. Let's use my pipe and let's smoke it. Nice to play with the smoke. Okay, this is my story of the Nasty bar, a little bit smaller version. This is nice units. They look nice. Okay, this is my story for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.